Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy TechnoTrend. Hey guys and gals and other, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to be talking about how to get some awesome wins in Fortnite for all those beginners and even for those intermediate players. This is a tutorial which I do on my channel. You guys already know I'm a tutorialist. You guys already know. If you guys do enjoy this video, be sure to leave a fat subscription to my channel as well as a fat like down below. Alright guys, I have plenty of tips for you guys. This is going to be the top 5 ways to get some wins on Fortnite. So if you guys are into that stuff, be sure to subscribe, as well as I will be doing some live streams coming up soon, coming in clutch, as well as go follow my social medias for updates and cool stuff like that, guys. I love you guys so much. Most appreciated if you guys comment down below some constructive criticism on anything I can fix or anything that I can make better. Alright guys, thank you guys for listening to these quick announcements. Let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, coming in at number 1, try to land first. Now if you guys are with a squad, make sure you guys agree on the location, because if you guys are separated, you have a higher chance of you guys dying first. Some of the rookie mistakes that everyone does is they go off on their own, or they just wait to find places and they're screwed because they haven't chosen a specific location yet. Make sure to pull up the map so you guys know where you are, because if you're just following someone just by their name tag, it's not going to be as easy. You guys can just place your map location on the map. Also, once you're done picking your location, be sure to fall straight down so you guys can be the first ones to land. Also, I found a new trick, which is to sway back and forth once you go down. If you start swaying back and forth, you will be able to reach the ground much faster. Also, another thing is don't leave the bus too early. Many of these noobs have been doing that. They leave the bus like halfway to their destination. What you guys want to do is get on the bus as far as you can to your destination and then drop, because the bus itself does go by the map very fast. It should take you to your location. Coming in at number 2, collect guns quickly with squad. Once you guys land and you are searching the area for guns, be sure just to go with your squad, because if you go without them, you're a noob and you most likely will die and get screwed over by other people. What many people do is they go in team and they will flank you. For the time, we'll go ahead and flank you. Your defense will be much better with this team, because your team most likely knows much more than you do. Teamwork is key in this game if you guys are in squads, because there are plenty of people on this game and they do not care about your feelings or how depressed you are once you die. It's always to go better with, if your whole team dies, go with the rest of your team that's alive. Say like one person. Make sure to stick together, because if you go to different places, a whole squad can come over and a group of 4 will flank you. Another thing is, do not die. If you die and you're on the floor, you are screwing over your team. Your team is now waiting for you to come back up because someone has to go and rescue you. That's very annoying. Do not die. Hide if you don't know how to like defend yourself for stuff. Coming in at number 3, being able to quick build. This is a really cool one that Speed came up with. I myself have gotten better at quick building. Make sure wood only, because metal and the other elements don't form as quickly because they do have to build, and if they're not fully built, they don't have the same strength as the element. The fastest building one is wood. Metal takes very long, as well as brick. They take very long. As long as they're just stairs, then it's okay to use, but if you're using them for protection, I suggest you guys use wood for quick relief protection. Also, make sure to build a roof on top, because many of the people do go on top and they screw you over by just shooting you with the shotgun on your head. Make sure also to have the volume up, because you will be able to hear the footsteps around the area as you're quick building. If you do quick build, you guys have traps and cool stuff like that, so make sure to take out those traps. If you do, volume has to be raised all the way up. You guys can hear their footsteps even if they're far away, like let's say a block away. You will be able to hear every time they rustle through the grass. Coming in at number 4, 1v1. Now, I had a huge trouble with this. Once your teammate is trying to screw over someone else, someone comes by you and tries to kill you. Number 1 thing you have to do is jump. Do not stay still, because they will kill you fast. If you guys are close range, make sure to use a shotgun. If you aren't good at using shotguns, make sure to use the tactical. The tactical is usually red. Usually does have a color. Also, the tactical is like really good for non-aiming. It's good for people who can't aim as well. If you guys are good at aiming, aim for the head and use a pump shotgun. The pump shotgun is only like 1 blast, and once the blast is over, you will have like a second or 2 seconds to reload, which is kind of but the tactical takes less time to reload, as it is because it is for less experienced users. Also, be sure to calm down. Do not just start freaking the fuck out and start yelling like I do on my games, because that is extremely annoying when your teammate's trying to kill someone else and you're over there screaming because you can't kill anyone. Be sure to aim for the head. That's the number 1 thing to do if you have a shotgun, because one shot can determine if you die or if you even win the game. Check your sides, because enemies do come from different areas. If you're shooting one person right in front of you, they will get you from the side, just like you cross the street. Once you cross the street, look both ways. Alright, coming in at number 5, practice. Now I know you guys hate this one because everyone knows this already. Practice makes perfect. Try with squad. Make sure to try out with squads first, so you know they can teach you and stuff, so your teammates can let you know like where the good places to go and stuff. Then after you learn the basics, go to solo matches so you can like try it out yourself, see how far you get. Make sure to practice every day for results. If you're just practicing like once a week, you're not going to get better for a long time. Make sure to push on. If someone's like screwing on you or just grilling you for sucking at the game, just push on. Just don't listen to them. Just get better and shut them off. Take breaks, then come back, because if you get mad at the game like my friend Winner, you will want to erase the game. So yeah, be sure to take a long breaks, eating breaks. I love to eat after a game because it does help relieve a lot of stress. Also, just remember one thing, that every pro gamer starts at level 0. No one suddenly just becomes a golden gamer. So practice makes perfect, guys. Thank you guys for watching these quick tips. Hope you guys did enjoy. The people that did help me with these tips are in the description. All their links are there, their Twitter as well as their channel are there. Thank you all for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy. Leave a fat like and a fat comment. Love you guys so much. Peace.